In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach documents or Word documents or any other sort of document to your email in AOL. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So with your email open here, select the Attach button right next to Send, and then select Attach Files from your computer. And then you're going to need to navigate to wherever your documents may be saved. Maybe they're on the desktop, maybe they're in the Documents folder here. Just find it, select it, and then select Open. And then you can finish editing and drafting your email and then select Send. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.